Hello and welcome back to another video. It's Declan here, and today I'm just going to run through a number of companies that are reporting earnings this week. As I said, on Monday the 24th of April 2023, as I said in my short video, Coca Cola are reporting earnings, but it's also a massive week for tech stocks as well. So on Tuesday, Microsoft, Alphabet, Visa, PepsiCo and McDonald's, Parcel Service, UPS, Verizon, General Motors, Chipotle are all reporting earnings. But Wednesday you have Meta, Boeing, and on Thursday you have Amazon, MasterCard, T-Mobile, Dr. Pepper and Capital One. So yeah, it's quite a big week, as I said, in tech this week. And on Friday, you have the Chicago PMI and University of Michigan Consumer Sentiment. You have earnings reports also from ExxonMobil, Chevron and Colgate and New York Community Bancorp. But the big ones, especially this week, as I said, are the ones on Wednesday, especially, which is Meta, and I have shares in Boeing, just over $60 in the eToro platform, so just a small amount, but I have it a number of months and it's up just 30 something percent, 32% at the moment, so it has gained. And I have shares also in Coca Cola, which are reporting their earnings on Monday, again 60. I just have a small account with €400 in total I deposited a while ago in eToro. So as I said, Microsoft on Tuesday, Alphabet, and then Meta and Boeing on Wednesday. Tuesday, Microsoft, Google, Alphabet, and Thursday, Amazon and Dr. Pepper and a few more like that. So yeah, it's a big week for tech, so keep an eye on the tech sector and see how it does. Thanks for watching and take care. GoPro, stop recording.